Hi, Rena. Hope you're doing well. I realized this morning when I got here that I didn't post a video for you from yesterday, and that was my mistake. So I'm sorry if you feel completely lost. That's on me. I'll try not to make that mistake again. I'll do the best that I can. This was our day for today on Thursday, September 10. There's a link in your classroom that takes you to a Padlet wall, and there's 3 columns there. And today, tomorrow, and probably Monday, we'll take some time going through events surrounding September 11, 2001. And so what I'd like you to go through and do is just take a few minutes and write down everything that you know, or what you think you know to be true about September 11, 2001, what you think you know, and then any questions that you have. And you probably should be able to see other responses from the other 7th graders. I think you're in 7th period still. Could be wrong, however. Go to the one that is in your correct classroom. And then from there, there's also a link in your classroom for this website, which will take you to an interactive timeline for September 11, 2001. And it's going to walk you through all sorts of events from that day from various perspectives. And we talked about in class why it's important to look at things from different perspectives and from different points of view for people. And you may take as much time as you wish on this part. I gave students in our class about 15 minutes just to scroll through and watch, read, and listen to all sorts of different primary sources from this day. Up in the left-hand corner, you can switch to a recovery timeline. And here you'll see events after September 11, 2001. So how places began to recover and rebuild. And then, so we spent quite a bit of time doing that today in class. At the very end, in your classroom, there'll be an assignment. Actually, it's a material for a slideshow. It'll look something like this, where we worked on putting together a summary for a section of the timeline. And I'll have to modify this so it'll fit you as best as I can. Otherwise, so it'll fit you. So it maybe isn't going to be all of these things that you will do on your own, but I'll make it so that you can do your own slide and have your own content in there that matches the workload for one person. And I'll get that to you. We didn't really work on this today in class. Students just got their section of the timeline. So I'll get that to you. I'll put that in your classroom for what you need to do in particular. For tomorrow on Friday, we're going to do an online webinar. If it works, and if it doesn't work, then I'm going to get that. I'm going to just allow time for students to work on that slideshow in class. The political ideology assignment, which I think you have turned in already, is due on Friday, as well as the assignment for Chapter 1, Section 2, which covers all about maps. That should be in as a Google Doc in your classroom. I'll make sure that you have that as well. Okay, as always, please reach out if you have any questions or you feel like you're missing something. I'm doing my best to keep up, but if I do forget something, please let me know. I want to help you as much as I can. Okay, Rena, hope you're doing well. Have a great day. Bye.